Okay, now we're going to do the mouth. I've got a length of pearl cotton, about 28 or 30 inches long, and I have that threaded on my 5-inch needle. There is no knot on the end. And I'm going to bring the needle in at the bottom corner of the nose and come up at the one of the corners. Doesn't matter which one, but one of the upper corners. If you have problems like I'm having right now, get your trusty needle nose pliers. And right here you can see I'm coming out a little bit too high, so I'm going to pull it back because I want to come up right at the corner where the nose is. And now I'm too much to the side. There. And then when you pull this through, you want to leave a long tail. I like to kind of make the tail that the thread is on a little longer than the tail that I've got hanging out. I'm going to pull that out a little so I can get the fur released. And now I'm going to bring this across, and we're going to go down in the opposite top corner and come back out on that bottom corner of the nose. Oops. I want to come out as right the same. See right there? There we go. Make sure you're not pulling any of the fur in with the pearl cotton as you pull it. There. And now I'm going to take my needle off of the pearl cotton. I've got a couple of pins handy in case I need them. I'm going to take the two tails, and I'm taking a look here. Fur out of there. And twist them together once or twice. And that, it's just looking a little crooked. So I'm going to undo that. Let's see which one of these is more right under at the bottom. Looks like this one is in the right place. This one is a little off center. So I'm going to go back up and going to thread this tail back onto my needle. This is the tail of the thread that's a little off center. And I'm going to go back in that corner and come back out. Go in and out and try to move it around so we can get it in the center. Oops. And pull it out so I can get the fur out. There we go. Okay, I took the needle off of the pearl cotton again. We'll try this again. That looks better. Now I'm going to use my hands and my fingers to try to decide how I want to make this mouth. You could go, you know, wide, narrow. The important thing is to get as close as possible to both sides. Now I'm sticking a pin in there and I'm wrapping that around once just to hold it in place. Go. I'll do the same. And I'll look at it upside down. And it looks like that will work. We're going to get our 5-inch needle again. I've left the pin in place because that's my marker that tells me where I'm going to insert the needle. So thread your pearl cotton onto your 5-inch needle. And just like with the eye, I'm kind of clearing the fur away so I can see where I'm going. Remove that, put this in, and I'm gonna bring it diagonally up and bring it up around this area of the head. There we go. Don't pull it tight yet. We want to do the other side too. You want to try to bring it up as close to the opposite side of this as possible. So you can see here I'm a little forward in the head than I am with this one. So I'm going to pull it back and try to get back further. And I'm bringing this across to see how much further I need to go. And now we're going to gently pull that in just a little. And now since I already have my needle on this pearl cotton, we're going to do the same. We're going to bury that pearl cotton the same way as we did when we stitched the nose. Clear the fur away. We've got that pulled in. And then insert the needle into the same hole it came out. And we'll go back through one more time. And then we snip the pearl cotton the same way we did when we did the nose. Pull the pearl cotton up. Get my little scissors in here. There, that's better. And I've got them open just a little. Let's see if I can get a better angle so you can see better. And I've got there. I'm gonna bring it down, pull up, there. Now thread the other tail, and we'll do the same thing. I took my needle off of the pearl cotton for a moment just so I could use it to get the fur out from that loop. There we go. Now I'll thread it back on again. There we go. Okay, now we've got the mouth stitched on. We have a little more trimming to do.